Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping your mold and sticker to avoid trapped moisture or dust. Wipe surfaces with isopropyl and let dry. This helps adhesion and clarity. Once done, pick a vinyl or laminated sticker designed for moisture exposure so colors don't bleed. Now mix your resin to the manufacturer ratio, commonly 1:1, stir slowly to reduce bubbles. Make sure to briefly degas or let rest for a minute. You need a calm mix before pouring the first thin layer. You pour a thin base layer of resin about 1 to 2 millimeters and let it reach a tacky state. This gives the sticker something to grab onto without shifting. Once tacky, position the sticker face up using tweezers, press gently from the center outward to expel microbubbles and ensure flat contact. After placement, seal the perimeter with a tiny bead of resin so the edges don't lift during final pour. Make sure to check alignment from multiple angles before the next cure. You finish by pouring the remaining resin slowly, aiming to flow around but not blast directly over the sticker to prevent displacement. Once poured, remove surface bubbles with a heat gun or torch in quick passes. Do not overheat. Cure fully according to the product instructions. If the sticker lifts or traps air afterward, peel back carefully. Add a thin layer of resin or a drop of clear UV glue under the edge, press back, and re-cure. This is the single most useful fix if things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.